We are all familiar with how hackers are displayed in movies, brooding criminals in hoodies, frantically hammering lines of code into a computer in order to break through complex security systems. But what exactly is hacking? Hello, amazing viewers! It's me, Femina here. If this is a content you would be interested in, do subscribe and click the bell right away. Hacking, an unauthorized access to data in a system or computer. Simply, someone gaining access to a computer or system without permission to steal information. For example, stealing someone's personal data like social security numbers, credit card and bank account details, photos from gallery that you never posted, and personal conversations. And to do these, different hacking techniques are used like phishing, cracking passwords, injecting viruses, and so on. Do you know which is the most powerful spyware ever created? Pegasus, a software that can be injected into iPhone and Android operating systems. But what really is Pegasus? How does it operate? Who uses the software? And why has it gained the sudden limelight? Named after the mythical winged horse, Pegasus is a highly sophisticated hacking software that is designed to enter smartphones, Android and iOS, and turn them into surveillance devices. Developed by an Israeli tech firm called the NSO Group. The NSO Group is well known for creating specialized cyber weapons. The Israeli company, however, markets it as a tool to track criminals and terrorists for spying and not mass surveillance. NSO Group sells the software to governments only and not to individuals or any other entities. A single license, which can be used to infect several smartphones, can cost up to Rs 70 lakhs. According to a 2016 price list, NSO Group charged its customers $650,000 to inject 10 devices plus an installation fee of $500,000. Now, the question is, why does it gain sudden limelight and why do everyone worry about it? Let's see that. A global collaborative investigative project called Pegasus Project was conducted by London Guardian, Washington Post, and 15 other international media. On Sunday, July 18, 2021, it was reported that the project has discovered traces of successful attacks by Pegasus. It is revealed that more than 50,000 phone numbers were targeted by the spyware Pegasus. Among 50,000 phone numbers, hundreds are of public officials. It includes business executives, religious figures, academics, NGO employees, union officials, and government officials, including cabinet ministers, presidents, and prime ministers. While this is a developing story, it is important to understand the software, its history, and how it can hack into your smartphone to completely compromise your information. Pegasus software has the abilities to seamlessly intrude where the mobile user may not even have an idea that their phone is hacked. They take advantage of undiscovered bugs in Android and iOS. This means a phone could be infected even if it has the latest security patch installed. The Pegasus software uses some reported methods to hack a phone. The hacking could happen by making the target click on a malicious URL sent to their phone called spear phishing. The software can also be installed with a missed call on WhatsApp, even if the target never answered the call and then deletes the call log entry. Pegasus also exploits bugs in iMessage, giving it backdoor access to millions of iPhones. The spyware can also be installed over a wireless transceiver located near a target. Once installed, Pegasus can potentially access every information available on the phone, even encrypted chats and files. As per cybersecurity researchers, Pegasus can access messages, calls, app activity, user location, video camera, and microphone from the hacked device. As per their findings, once Pegasus scans a target's phone, it then installs different modules as per requirement. Among other things, these modules can read user messages and mail, listen to calls, capture screenshots, log pressed keys, export browser history and contacts. Pegasus can do more than what the owner of the device can do. After all these informations, I know for what you're all waiting for. The answer to the question, what can I do to stop this happening in my smartphone is see you in another video. Bye bye.